Hair Design. As you see, we are back with my model from today, Monica from England. Thank you for visiting us. And this is the result of her hair. As you see, Monica, can you look to the mirror so everybody can see your hair? We did her a beautiful, nice haircut. She liked to style her hair and use a machine in the hair to make straighteners. I told her you don't need it if you have a nice haircut. A beautiful, nice haircut, lovely, easy, simple to wear. And it's going down like, it's a kind of bob line, but very nice, easy bob haircut for her. I really love it, guys. This is what I can do for her to make it beautiful because she didn't have too much length in her hair, and I love the result. So let me see. We will ask our model today. Monica, first time in Vivian Hair Design. How do you feel?
Marvelous.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So do you want to say anything to everybody in the world? Yeah?
Just how lovely it is. I'm glad I came in.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Monica from England visiting us here in Vivian Hair Design. We'll say to everybody there in the world, bye.